Greetings to all. Today we are going to continue with the topic chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Fourth is the reaction with bases. Metals react with bases to form their respective salts and hydrogen gas. Let us perform an activity. Take a test tube and drop 3/4 pellets of sodium hydroxide, that is base. Add some water, and now we have to prepare a fresh solution of sodium hydroxide. Drop a piece of aluminium foil to the solution. We can see tiny bubbles of gas in the solution. Bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube. The pop-up sound indicates that hydrogen gas is evolved during the reaction. Aluminium reacts with sodium hydroxide and water, give rise to sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. This activity shows that reactive metal like aluminium react with solution of bases to form hydrogen gas. Fifth is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution. Let us perform an activity to understand displacement reaction. Take a test tube and add about 10 ml of dilute copper sulfate solution to it. Take an iron nail. Tie the iron nail with a thread and suspend carefully in copper sulfate solution. Iron reacts with copper sulfate, give rise to iron sulfate and copper. This activity shows that iron is more reactive than copper as it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Most of the non-metals do not show displacement reactions, but some reactive non-metals displace less reactive non-metals from their salt solution. For example, chlorine is more reactive than bromine, so it displaces bromine from potassium bromide.